Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today our group will be present about the topic of insurance companies. Do you guys know anything about insurance companies? If you are not, we will explain more about insurance companies in this video. So let's go. So what is insurance company? Insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. Insurance company is a financial institution that provides a range of insurance policies to protect individuals and businesses against the risk of financial losses in return for regular payments of premiums.
Next, we will learn about the functions of insurance companies. Have you ever wondered the functions of insurance companies? So, let's go! The main function of insurance companies is provides reliability. It eliminates the uncertainty of an unexpected and sudden financial loss. This is one of the biggest worries of a business. Instead of this uncertainty, it provides the certainty of regular payment. For example, premium to be paid. The second function of insurance companies is protection. Insurance does not reduce the risk of loss or damage that a company may suffer, but it offers insurance against the loss that a business may suffer. This makes the company, at least, does not suffer financial losses that debilitate their daily functioning. The third function of insurance companies is pooling of risk. All the shareholders pool their risk together for insurance. They all pay for premiums, and if one of them suffers financial losses, then the payout comes from this fund. The risk is shared between all of them. The fourth function of insurance companies is legal requirements. In a lot of cases, getting some form of insurance is actually required by the land of law. For example, having fire insurance can be a required obligation when products are infringed. An insurance provider is going to help us to fulfill these demands. The fifth function of insurance companies is capital information. The pool premiums of the policyholders help to produce the insurance company's capital. This capital can then be invested in productive purposes that generate income for the company.
There are two types of insurance. The first one is conventional insurance and the second one is takaful insurance. So, what is conventional insurance? Conventional insurance divided by two, which is life insurance and general insurance. Life insurance is an insurance of the life and disability or illness of an individual, such as involved in accident that cause paralysis or death. Types of insurance policy are term insurance, whole life policy, and endowment policy. Benefit, income fund, educational fund, burial fund, retirement fund, and mortgage fund. Next, general insurance. General insurance is for non-life coverage. General insurance example, loss of property due to fire, burglary, marine cargo damage, and
What is Takaful insurance. This is Takaful insurance means. Takaful is a type of Islamic insurance. Besides that, Takaful branded insurance is based on Sharia or Islamic religious law. Takaful insurance have two types. First, family Takaful business. Second, general Takaful business. So, what is family Takaful business? Family Takaful business provide you with a protection and long-term savings. Next, what is general Takaful business? General Takaful business is relating to mutual financial aid and assistance to participants for losses arising from perils such as accidents, fires, and floods. Last but not least, what is different between family Takaful business and general Takaful business? Family Takaful business have long-term uses al-mudarabah principle, cover participants in the form of financial benefit paid from the fund, serve individual and corporate sector. Next, general Takaful business have short-term, provide protection in the form of financial assistance, uses al-mudarabah principle for individual and corporate. The end. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome back to our talk show. So, you guys must be wondering about today's topic, right? Our topic for today are great and surely will hook your attention.
That's right, Dina. Our topic for today is about insurance. Since almost every single person has insurance, I bet this topic can show you more knowledge about insurance, like why it is important and so on. Right, Dina?
Yes, obviously. Because of that, you guys need to stay tuned until the end of the show. Okay? Before that, I guess the audience must wonder to know about who our guest for this special topic, right? By that, let's welcome Miss Fatiha and Miss Lisa.
Hi, Miss Fatiha and Miss Lisa. Thank you for coming to our show. Mind to introduce yourself first?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatiha. Just call me Miss Fatiha because I'm not married yet. So for now, I still work in Takaful Malaysia since 2015. So about 5 years, I have been working there as General Manager Human Resources.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Lisa Afrina binti Anwar. I am life planner and insurance consultant from Prospero Wealth Management Consultancy. You all can just call me Miss Lisa.
Good.
Oh, great. So any expectation or something that we can look forward from you guys?
I hope with our presence here can answer the question you have been asking all this time. There are still many people in Malaysia who do not show the importance of life insurance in their financial planning. So I also can't wait to share my knowledge with the public.
Alright, my expectation from this show, I hope everyone, the audience is enjoy with the topic today and also get some knowledge from this topic.
Okay, I'm getting more excited. But before we start, I just want to let you guys know that mainly our questions are from the viewers, which means this what concerns them the most. Okay?
Yes, but since this is the first time that they appear in our show, so they might feel a little bit nervous, but it's okay. So can we start to ask some questions to both of you now?
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Okay, if you guys ready, okay, let's start. Okay, the first question is about health insurance. Okay, these people ask, will this health insurance plan be affordable if they're sick?
Oh, okay. So now imagine the opposite scenario where you use your plan a lot. You come down with an infection and need to stay in the hospital for a few days. Your partner's prescription list grows, and the kids break a few bones at practice on top of getting straight in the fall and more. It's always hard to see situations like this coming in. So it was to be sure that your plan make cares available it to use it. In the end, you will want to aim for a good balance between expenses. You can plan for like monthly premiums, deductible, and the out-of-pocket maximum. And once you can like co-pays or co-insurance, you pay only when you need care. So I think this is the good answer for that question.
Wow, really affordable, right?
So I will ask to Miss Lisa for the first question. What happens if one misses a monthly premium or a late on a payment?
Alright, thank you, Miss Wawa. Okay, what happens if you miss a monthly premium or are late on a payment? The answer is non-payment of the life insurance premium or a late payment may impact your benefits and if the policy remains in force. That's the answer for your question.
Okay. The next question is about life insurance. Okay. So, life insurance give benefit if we die. But what happens if we don't die when buy term life insurance?
Oh, alright, I see. Basically, some people who buy term life insurance get access when they found out that if they don't die, they don't get anything back. If this is concern for you, it is important to get an understanding of what will happen to your policy as you near the end of the term. As you near the end of your policy term, you might have the option of keeping your policy. If you do, and you have been paying labor payments, you can expect a hefty jump in your premium. So, if you are still healthy at that point in your life and you want to keep the coverage, it may be best to apply for a new policy. Perhaps you only want your policy to cover you as long as you had a mortgage or until your children's college education was paid for. If that's the case and you have no other obligation to protect, you might want to let the coverage expire. I think that can answer your question.
Great.
Okay. So for the next question from me is, some of us know that insurance gives benefits to us, right? So Miss Lisa, can you tell us some of the benefits when we take life insurance? Can you share it with us?
Alright. Okay, some benefit of insurance is it protect the money you are saving for future plans. Life insurance gives you a vehicle for protecting your savings as you work on building a better future for you and your loved one. Next, the benefit of insurance that we can know is it gives you the power to protect your family even when you are not around anymore. By availing of a life insurance plan, your family is assured of financial support even beyond your lifetime. It secures your family futures and frees them from financial worries. Next, the benefits of insurance is protect your emotional health by giving you peace of mind. You do not have to worry in case we meet an accident or suffer from disability, nor do you have to be anxious about your family's future. That's the perfect answer for your question.
Wow, so many benefits. Okay, last question from me is still about life insurance. So, if I want to get life insurance policy, I have to take medical exam, and why is that?
Yes, a medical exam is almost always part of the traditional life insurance underwriting process. There are a few no-medical exam life insurance policies out there, but they typically tout lower coverage amounts and higher prices than comparable policies subject to the full underwriting process. So why? Because your prospective insurance company wants to get an idea of how risky you are to insure, or to put it bluntly, how likely you are to die during your policy term. They do this whole classification thing that ultimately determines your premiums. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Fatiha. So next, the last question for Miss Lisa is, when should you consider purchasing life insurance?
Alright, this is the best question I ever heard. Okay, for your answer, when you should consider purchasing life insurance. Okay, nowadays we can see many people assuming that they don't need an insurance when they are young, when they are in young age. We know that, right? Okay, we didn't know that likelihood of an event when you are younger. That doesn't mean something cannot happen to your life. The top reason experts recommend buying life insurance when you are young is that typically priced lower for younger consumers. That's the answer for your question, Miss Wawa.
Alright, thank you. So I guess that we really gain a new knowledge, right?
Yes, exactly. Even me myself surprised that even though we have insurance, but we still lack of information about it.
This information that being told by Miss Fatiha and Miss Nisa, surely our audience can get from other place, right?
It's because our guests are the best. So before we end this, Miss Fatiha and Miss Isa, can you guys say something to all our viewers that watching us right now?
Okay, thank you for watching this show. I apologize if there is any rude language because sometimes I do not realize it. So I hope you all know the importance of insurance in your life. If there are any more unanswered questions, you can go directly to my office at the confirmation, and of course, you can find me there. So thank you also to these two very beautiful MC. Thank you for inviting us to this show.
All right. Thank you, everyone, especially for the audience and also for the two MC here, Miss Lina and Miss Wawa, for inviting me, and also Miss Deha for this show. My last word is I hope everyone who watching this gains some knowledge for this topic, and I'm sure they will be the insurance is very important that with the platform we will be protected. Thank you again.
Alright, that's it. So special thanks to our guests today for spending their time to come to the show. And not to mention our viewers that stay with us until the end. Time flies so fast, isn't it?
Right, but it's okay. Next week we will bring a new great topic that surely make you guys eagerly waiting for it. Okay?
Yes, and because of that, don't forget to save our date every Tuesday, 11 a.m. only on CV3. Okay, see you guys next week in
Talk,
Talk,
talk.
Talk, Boom! Have a nice day!
Bye.